Hey everyone, welcome back to CodeY. So today is not a coding video. It's not about architecture systems. Today is the video about completely upgrading my YouTube setup. So for a particular section that is specifically the audio, I have purchased a new tech gear which I'm going to unbox and set up. So as if you have been following this channel from the beginning, you know I'm documenting my journey of building a full stack system from scratch. And this time, for all of the videos, I'm using this AirPods Max, and I have also purchased a new microphone. So we'll unbox it, we'll set it up, and we'll compare both of them to see if this upgrade really makes a difference. So without any further ado, let's get into it. This is the microphone I have just bought, the Maono. This is the model number AU-A04, and it's a podcasting microphone kit. So initially, I was confused between condenser and dynamic mic. So finally, I choose to buy this condenser mic. Uh, High resolution sampling rate. Then we have this cardioid polar pattern. We have professional sound chipset, USB 2.0 plug and play. I think it will come inside the box itself. Compatible with Mac and Windows, 16 mic capsule, full metal casing, and it also has an arm so that we can easily set it up. So rest we have just the basic details around here. So let's see what's in the box itself. We'll see how it. Okay, oh, my bad. It was a easy unboxing, but I wasn't just making it up. This is my first unboxing video, so I don't have any idea how to unbox stuff. Okay, it's not bending. So we have okay. These are the warm tips. How to set it up. We don't have anything to do with the user manual itself. A complete manual for setting up. Uh, then we have this foam to cover around the mic itself. Okay, so we have this pop filter, and we have some sort of metallic gas spring. I think so. Yeah, it holds the mic. This is how it looks, and then it has a connector as well, and it has also a arrangement like the knob. We can tight adjust it based on the setting we need. Okay, this is for the orientation of this. Then we have this clamp to stuck it into this table. We'll do this. We have this spring arm which we can attach through the desk and then the microphone itself. Then we have this Maono strip to pack our cables. We have one cable, so it is actually XLR, and it's a USB 2.0 with USB-C, which I really like a lot. And one end, okay, so it's only a USB-C. I don't know how to set it up since I need USB-C on both the ends. I don't want that. And then we have this 3.5 capsule, which Mauro talks about. It's great quality, guys. I mean, this is a metallic build and it's quite heavy, sturdy. So, okay, quickly, let's just set it up. So, I'm setting up the clamp. Uh, let's just tighten it up, starting with the clamp itself. Okay, so our clamp is there in the desk itself. Then we have to attach this spring arm to the clamp. It's quite easy as well. This section, this is this section of the spring. We need to attach here, put it here, and then we have a tightening screw here, which we can just tighten up properly. Done. Now this can work like this. So mic here, and we can even stretch it up, puts it back, just tightening the clamp a bit more so that it doesn't kind of lose its position. Okay, so it has all the way. I mean, we can just adjust it wherever we want it. Then what to set it up? So I'm referring to this picture only here. And okay, this is done. This is done. Then we have to put the mic first. So we have to put this one, this thing. Let's put it here. I don't know how to put it. I think this is the correct way. And setting up tech things is really interesting. I really like uh, setting up stuff like this. Okay. Yeah, I think it's quite tight as well. So we are good to go. Then we have to put the mic here, this capsule here. Uh, how it will work? I mean, from here? No, not from here. Okay, it has the expanding feature, so it will adjust its size based on the. It do have okay. So this is how we can just press the clamp, set the mic here. That's it. And here we go. We just have to make sure that it's not totally in the bottom. Yeah, done. So now we have to put this pop filter and this. We have to fix it. Let's see how they are just putting it. Okay, this way. This is the front facing. This is the front facing. Okay, I got it. Oh, maybe. Something is wrong. This is the result. Let's first put it here. This is bottom next, as I think. But there's a way from the top. It's not from the bottom. So we have to put it from the top. I have no idea how they're doing this. Go to the this part here and see if it doesn't have anything. Something wrong. Noise. There's something wrong itself. Something wrong here. Yeah, in a second. So I have tightened it a lot. Yeah. And then I have to bring this somewhere here. Wait. But for that, I need to just take it a few inches back. Like this. Yeah. So this is also very nice. It actually removes the extra noise that comes from like ED, extra air, we put in. And so I but I have achieved a position where it seems like it's fine. Yeah. I think it should be placed in front of the mic. Exactly in front of the mic. Hmm. Seems like it's done. Shock mount pop filter. Yeah, it's done actually. So that's it. Now I just have to put the form here and we'll see how it works without all of these, like without the form, without the pop filter. So it's kind of a cap for the mic capsule. Okay, I need to also tighten it a bit. Done. So it's winters and mic is feeling cold. It's not bending properly. Something is wrong with the bending. Okay, a bit of bending from here and then a bit of bending from here. And that's it. Here we go. Write it from here as well. Done. So let's just connect this one. First, this to the mic itself, the capsule, and then we have to take this cable from here. I don't think it will go in between. Let's check if it can go. No. Let's check from the other end. Hopefully it will not. No, it will not. So we have to figure out a workaround to handle the cable cluttering and just make it the best we can. No ways. No ways. So I'll do the cable management later on. For now, I'm just trying to plug it in. We also have this one, so we can use this strap from Maono itself to handle this cable cluttering. So let me just set it up in the OBS, and we'll see you how it actually sounds like, how it records my voice. So guys, I have set this microphone completely. I know a bit of cable management is pending, and also it's not a good position to put it here. I need to tweak it a bit based on the camera position so that got a better view of the camera as well. But we'll do that later on. Right now, our goal is to test the quality of audio. So right now, this is what I'm speaking. This is from these AirPods Max itself. Let me switch to the input source of audio, and we'll see how it looks like. So guys, let's test the audio from this microphone itself. So right now, just the microphone unit, that means the capsule. We didn't plug the form, we didn't plug the pop filter, and this is the raw audio. I didn't set any filters yet in the OBS studio. We'll do that later on. So let's see how it sounds without anything, and then we apply the form. So after applying the form, this is how it sounds like. I'm just, I think, 5 to 6 inches away from this microphone. And condenser mics are usually, we have to be in a good space if we want to get heard good. In the side, this is how it sounds like from this side and from this side as well. So initially, I was thinking of buying a dynamic mic, but that actually cancels the noise from the environment, and that is for an area where you do have a lot of noise. In this room, I don't have that much noise, so I went with the condenser mic itself. And this is actually I have learned that this pop filter is basically for removing the extra sound from the P and B sort of sounds. So let's see. This is how it looks sound like right now. P and B. And after applying the pop filter, okay, the position of this microphone is not good at this time. We'll set it up later on in a better position. So after applying the pop filter, this is how it sounds like. P, B, and I don't know about the audio quality yet. I will test this once I'll just remix this video. So we'll let you know also about that. But I think under 5K budget, this we can go with this microphone. But let's see if it really makes a difference to my setup, or if it's this purchase was not just worth it. So I will let you know, and also you guys let me know in the comment section about the structure of this mic, the design, and overall, I really love the build quality. So guys, this was the unboxing and setup of this Maono AU-A04 microphone, which I have just purchased for my YouTube setup. And let me know in the comment section whether you like the voice or not of this particular microphone. And I will also figure out that whether I need to continue using this AirPod Max or maybe this Maono AU-04. So I'll see you in the next one. Till then, keep watching my full stack series and we'll upload the next video there as well.